In this video, we will walk you through the process of adding the Sepolia Testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Today, you will learn why the Sepolia Testnet is essential for Ethereum development, 2 ways to add it to MetaMask, how to use a testnet faucet for free ETH, and how to switch between networks. The first method is to add the network manually. Open MetaMask, select the network dropdown, choose Add Network, then add a network manually. Enter the specific Sepolia details, including the RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer, then click Save. Alternatively, you can use Chainlist. Visit chainlist.org, connect your wallet, ensure Testnets is checked, search for Sepolia, and click Add to MetaMask. Approve the connection and switch networks when prompted. To get free Sepolia ETH for gas fees, copy your wallet address and visit a faucet site like sepoliafaucet.com. Paste your address, complete the verification steps, and request your funds. They will appear in your wallet shortly. Keep these best practices in mind. Always use official RPC URLs. Only use faucet funds for testing. Verify your network settings and double-check your network selection before sending any transactions. You can manage MetaMask across devices. The browser extension allows quick switching and e-app connections. On mobile, use the Settings menu to add networks and the built-in browser for faucet and e-app interactions.